There are lies carved inside a sweet. I drink them, wasps, honey, a feet. Bittersweet minds, designs of first, as the parched throat cries out in thirst. We believe hope a block of tar, as the laugh peals shrill from afar. Feathers are white, the glue is blue, shadows slinking out of town flew. There are dreams deconstructed stark, in moonlight their contours are dark. Indifferent tongues sharper than knives, cynicism a way of life. There is truth hidden in disgrace, while flames await high deathly trace. The squandered light, the death of swans, see dawn, Quixote, young one. There will be tomorrow's ventures, sun's kiss, green valleys, indentures. The sad sound of burning cellos flying through my spine turned bellows. Struck bleak able, winding its way through packed boxes, moving habits, paradoxes. There is heart between moon and sun, dragons beat death and stars outrun. 16 to 9 inches splashing, images in your face lurching. There is past lurking in the light, blind paths, hidden stairs in the night, like rungs of clues leading nowhere, where angels exhale golden air. There is now accumulation, tight flashbacks, threaded pins, junction, holding cut, seams that disappear when bodies dilate into space.